In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume to your TradingView chart. It's a quick and easy way to analyze market activity alongside price movement. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged in so your chart settings are saved. Next, go to the Products tab at the top of the homepage to access different tools that TradingView offers. Then, select Super Charts, which will open up the full featured chart interface for analysis. After that, go to the Indicators tab located at the top of the chart. This is where you can add all sorts of technical indicators. Finally, type Volume in the search bar and click on the Volume option from the list. You'll now see volume bars appear at the bottom of your chart. And that's how you add volume to your TradingView chart in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!